Hi guys, it's me. Hope you all are doing well. We are at the weekend, so I'm just going to do some quick projects, starting with this one. And I've already delivered to 2 shops. I got one more delivery, hoping to do that either tomorrow or Sunday. And yeah, I have an appointment today with a 4th shop owner, and I'm like, I don't know if I can handle 4, but I will let you know the results if I get into this other shop, which is in a great little town. It's an artsy town, so that'd be great. Further away from me, about 20 minutes, but that's okay. If I do a 4th shop, I'm going to close my Etsy store for sure. I may run like a deep discount sale through the end of the year, and just to let you guys know, if there's anything you want to go look at and see, it'll be deep discounts, because I don't do a whole lot with Etsy as far as sales, and I'd be closing it not because it's expensive, because in my opinion it is not. It's just a lot to maintain and just to keep it going. I mean, they recommend 10 photos per item and a little short video. That in itself is a lot. If you're listing 10 items times 10 photos, that's 100 photos you got to take. And different positions, angles, I should say, and then the little video, and then listing, and blah, blah, blah. It's a lot. So, and the amount of sales I get is minimal, honestly, but it's not the cost, because I've definitely been watching that. And by the time, they take their fees, which are minimal, and you get a good postage through them, so that's no big deal. But just the hassle of the mailing and blah, 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 the communication and all of that, it's probably less than what I'm paying in the local shops as far as consignment fees. But the benefit is I don't have to do all of that mailing and all that. It's a lot. And I get local exposure, and I just take a batch in there and leave it up to them. And so I really enjoyed that more, and then that gets me out and about once in a while to socialize and whatnot. So it's about the same as far as fees for Etsy versus consignment shops, and I'm fine with that, really. So I'll be closing the Etsy shop if I get into this 4th shop, because that's just a lot. And then, me doing the YouTube and stuff. Anyway, that's just a little update. And I'm considering doing a video about how I got into all these different shops. It's not difficult. It's just, some tips and tricks that I've learned over the last few years. So I could share that with you if there's an interest. So be on the lookout for that. But anyway, I made that delivery yesterday to the Witch's Portal, and it's just my more expensive pieces and the projects that I was working on specifically for that shop. And I made the delivery to the Emporium on Wednesday. And so when I was up at the Witch's Portal, I saw these are just on a hang thing. This is that evil eye thing, and she's selling it for pretty cheap for you guys who don't want to spend a lot of money on gemstones. Although my gem dealer that I list in the description box below, it's Soul Star Crystals. They sell in lots, like a box, right, of rocks. She calls them her little boxes of roxes. And you can get them for $3 or sometimes less per lot, because there might be 4 gemstones in a box that she's selling for $10. So that's $2.50. So definitely check them out if you're worried about expense. But this was cheap too. And I'm just gonna, put some copper foil around the edges. I'm gonna take it off of the string and just solder it for a little extra something and make a pendant. I think it'll be cute and it'll be simple. Okay, so that's what we're doing in this video. And here it is. I just put 4 dots in each corner. And I'm going to use one of those fancy jump rings that I recently bought. And the reason I put out some of these charms is you can certainly add a charm to it to jazz it up. But I personally like it plain. But you could, that'd be something you'd have to experiment with. But I think for now, I'm just going to leave it in all its glory. And also, you can pair it with whatever you want. A fancy little chain would be cute. Or one of these are called satellite chains with the balls on them, since there's little balls on it. Or my good old standby friend, a plain black cord, and then they get to pick what they want to put it on. I think they turned out really cute. Or it turned out really cute. An inexpensive price for the product. You can probably get them even cheaper because I bought it at retail. And if you buy it, in bulk, you'll get it a lot cheaper. But there's that quick little one. That'll go into the Enchanted Treasures shop. Hopefully tomorrow or Sunday. Okay, thanks guys. Moving on. And we'll see what I come up with next.